let's take a look at the QuickSmart One-Click Indicator. So this is going to do all your calculations for you. In order to activate this, first click on the chart, press escape. So now we're in the market mode. So all we do is we set our stop loss, which is right there. And now that tells us, if we had an open window here, that we want to sell the market. So you press sell the market. That's the type of order you want. You put your lot size in, and you put your stop loss in. You don't even have to do that. What I do is I just put the sell market in, put the lot size in, and enter it. And then once you're in the market, you can just grab the stop loss like the usual cTrader settings. But I have the risk set at 1, which is a $97 risk with this balance. Very, very simple. Now, it also knows if you're going north or south. So right now it says it's a sell market. Well, if I put the stop loss, say I want a stop loss under here, well, now it's a buy market. And I want to buy at 0.04 lots with my stop loss. I am going to now change its mode. So if you press L, you go into the different mode, which is limit mode. So now let's set a stop loss here. And now we're going to click to say we want our limit order. It's going to go here. And so now it tells us we want to do a sell limit. That's the type. Our entry is 4523. Our lot size, risking 1%. And our stop loss goes there. And so you fill that out and you press execute, and then you'll have a limit order in there. And let's do a stop order. So now I'm going to put my stop loss around the same place, and I'm going to put my, I think once it gets past this point, it'll just fall off a map. So I'm going to put a stop order in, and now that's a sell stop. So once it goes through this area, it'll execute. So your type is sell stop, your entry 45.10.45, lot size 0.05, risking 1%, and your stop loss is here. And it again is smart. It knows what you're doing. So if we're going to go, let's say we want to take a limit order off of this area, or say we want it off of this area. So we put a stop loss down here. We put our entry right here. And so that tells us we want a lot size of 0.05 if we're willing to risk 1%. It's a buy limit, the entry price, and the stop loss. Now let's say we want a stop loss here, but we want it to execute if it comes back up. So let's go with, we'll put stop loss same spot, and now we're going to put it above. So we want it to come and play in this area and then take back off. So we'll say here. And so now we've got our lot size and our entry price and what type of order it is and our stop loss. Very, very simple. And then you just press L to switch modes like that. And now we're in market mode again. And again, you would just be clicking your stop loss and it would consider it a market order. So if you were to enter a market, that's where you want your stop loss with a lot size of 0.04 to risk 1%. Very, very simple. And again, it knows the direction, so you put it up there, it's a sell market. You put it down here, it's a buy market. Okay, guys. Thanks.